So this is the 1x1 USB charger that I purchased. Um, it's pretty interesting. For the price, it's not bad. 3 USB ports, connect multiple devices. So this is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna show a video of the actual product because when you look at these pictures, sometimes it's hard to tell exactly what's the size. Even though here they kind of put it on the iPhone. But this iPhone look like it's a 6 Plus or 7 Plus. So it's I'll do a comparison and see. Like here, this one, you can't really tell which phone this is. You just have it, and this look like a tablet. So I'll show you a video of the actual product and give you my thoughts on it. So this is the description of it. I mean, it's pretty basic. I like to upload these videos and kind of show, what it exactly how it looks and what the product is. Because what I do is I go like I'll type this in YouTube and I'll try to see a review video. So this just gonna be like a quick, just like first look, or not necessarily a review, but just my thoughts on it. All right, stand by for the.
All right, so this is the 1x1 that I was talking about. This lights up blue. It's like a little blue LED light. You can put up to 3 USB chargers. This part seems like it's aluminum of some sort. This is plastic, and these appears to be aluminum. This appears to be plastic, but it could be aluminum. But anyway, yeah, this is how it looks like up close. Thanks for watching.